Welcome to the unit, Various Nature of Publications of the module Concept of Publications. Let's begin. By the end of this module, participants will be able to list the types of layouts for a variety of publications. The layout can be created using desktop publishing software for a variety of publications, including brochures, posters, flyer, leaflets and catalogs, newspapers and magazines, newsletter, banner, books and e-books, PDF, design of resume, web pages. Digital techniques of publication comprise of technologies based on the chips and embedded system, like CCD and CMOS, and the extensive use of design automation tools. This includes preparing designs using tools like CAD, computer-aided design, AutoCAD, MDA, mechanical design automation. Multimedia techniques are used in publication to involve interactive content, like text, audio, raster and vector images, animations, video, which can be recorded, reviewed, displayed, interacted with or accessed by information content processing devices. Web-based techniques involve publishing the original content online, i.e. on the Internet. The various requirements of web-based publication include website development software like Dreamweaver, WordPress, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The printed techniques involve the most conventional methods of reaching out to the mass and target audience, via texts and images produced on books, magazines, pamphlets, etc. Different printing methods, since the beginning of time, are offset printing, rotogravure, flexography, letterpress, wooden block, cold and hot press, lithography, laser printing, screen printing, inkjet printing, transfer printing, digital printing. We have reached the end of this module. Hope you have enjoyed your session.